Michael thought he had finally found the answer. A simple side hustle, a flexible job, something to fix the gaps in his paycheck. He was tired of counting days until payday, tired of checking his bank app with that same feeling. This is not enough. So one evening, after scrolling through his phone, he made a decision. "I'll just do DoorDash," he said quietly. "Just a few hours after work, and I'll be fine." It sounded simple, almost too simple. And for the first day, it felt exciting. He logged in, waited for his first order, heart beating a little faster every time his phone buzzed. But by the end of the week, something started to change. He wasn't just tired. He was questioning everything he thought he knew about easy money. Because DoorDash wasn't what he expected. Not even close. Day one, the excitement on his first day, Michael felt like he was finally doing something productive. He drove through the city, picked up food, dropped it off. Simple. He told himself, "This is it. This is how I fix my money problems." And yet, the numbers looked okay at first. Most DoorDash drivers in the US earn about, beginners, $10.18 per hour, average drivers, $15.25 per hour, and in busy cities or peak hours, $25-35 plus per hour. It sounded good on paper. But Michael didn't know something important yet. The numbers you see are not the money you keep. Reality starts to show by his third day. Things changed. He noticed the waiting time. Waiting for orders, waiting in traffic, waiting for tips that never came. An hour would pass, and sometimes he only had one delivery. Then he started noticing the small things. Gas. A little here, a little there, but it adds up fast. Car wear and tear, tires, oil, maintenance. And suddenly, the money didn't feel the same anymore. Because if you make $18 an hour, but spend $5, $7 on gas and car costs, you're not really making $18. Nobody tells you that part in the beginning. Midweek, the fatigue by midweek. Michael was tired. Not just physically, but mentally. He started calculating everything in his head. If I work 6 hours, I should make this. But then gas, then time, then waiting, and the numbers never matched his expectations. One night, he sat in his car after finishing deliveries. He looked at his phone. $92 earned. He stared at it for a moment. Then he whispered to himself, "That's it!" Because after gas, after driving, after time, it didn't feel like $92 anymore. It felt like exhaustion, emotional reality shift. And this is the part nobody really talks about. It's not just about how much you earn. It's about what you actually keep. And even deeper than that, it's about what it costs you. Your energy, your time, your patience. Michael started feeling something he didn't expect. Frustration, because he was working, but still feeling behind. Tiredness, because every dollar felt like it required too much effort. And confusion, because everyone online made it look so easy. Make money fast, earn extra cash daily, be your own boss. But reality felt different, slower, heavier, more human. The shift, understanding the game. But something interesting happened on the 5th day. Michael stopped chasing every order and started observing. He noticed patterns. Lunch hours were busier. Evenings were stronger. Weekends were the real money zones. Not random driving, strategic timing. He also noticed certain areas in the city had more consistent orders. Busy restaurants, shopping districts, high-density neighborhoods. And for the first time, he realized something important. DoorDash wasn't just a work whenever you want job. It was a timing game, a location game, a strategy game. Smart strategy section, so Michael changed his approach. Instead of working all day randomly, he focused on peak hours. Lunch, around 11 a.m., 2 p.m. dinner, around 5 p.m., 9 p.m. weekends, highest demand periods. He also tried something new. Multi-apping, DoorDash, plus Uber Eats. When one app slowed down, he switched to the other. And slowly, his earnings became more stable. Not perfect, but predictable. He also stopped driving aimlessly. He waited in hot zones, he reduced wasted fuel. And most importantly, he started treating it like a system, not luck. Now the transformation moment. After adjusting his strategy, Michael didn't suddenly become rich. That didn't happen. But something else did. For the first time, he understood how to control his earnings. He wasn't just reacting anymore. He was planning, choosing, optimizing, and that changed everything. Because instead of feeling powerless, he felt aware. And awareness changes how you see money. Final reflection. The real truth: DoorDash can help you make extra money. That part is true. But it is not a magic solution. It is not effortless, and it is not always stable. Some days are good. Some days are slow. Some days You question why you even started. But if you understand how it works, it can still be useful, not as a full solution, but as a tool. Michael eventually learned something important. DoorDash can help you make extra money. But here's the real question. What if you don't even have the time or energy to keep working extra hours every day? Because that's where most people get stuck. They're already tired from their main job, and now they're trying to survive another shift after that. And that's why in the next video, I'll show you real ways people in the US are making money outside of gig jobs, even from their phone. No constant driving, no long hours on the road. Just simple systems people are using quietly every day. If you're serious about improving your income, don't miss it. Watch the next video now, and maybe, just maybe, this is where things start to change for you too.